What's going on, guys? Welcome back to this episode of King Customs, and on today's episode have I got a review for you guys. I have an awesome little product that'll help block the sun from the interior workings of your car. This is the product and it's called a car sun parasol, and this is how it works. It has two different functions on it. One, it can be used as an umbrella, and two, it can be used as a car sun visor, and let me show you how. So the first thing you want to do is extend it up, pull it out, and bam, you got a little umbrella. Now, I don't know if it's bad luck to open an umbrella in here, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to have to do it anyway. Here's your little umbrella, can fit two people. You walk in the rain, you good. When you're ready to put the visor on the car, you just prop it up like this, and bam, everything is ready to go. It puts up on your dashboard, and it stops the light and the heat from getting into your car, which will damage your dash or overcook the inside of your car, so when you get in, it's nice and cool. So the beautiful thing about this visor slash umbrella is not only that it has those two features, but if you ever catch yourself in a situation where you need to break your windshield or shatter your glass, the handle is actually used as a car glass shatterer, if that's even a word. Unlike other normal car visors, this car visor has come with a brace, so it'll keep snug to the windshield. And it would not fall on the dashboard to allow sun and heat to enter the vehicle. Right here, as you can see, it has these braces that is used for the umbrella, as well as keeping the sun visor very snug to the windshield. So this product comes with a reinforced alloy shot pin, which it can quickly break through windows and help ensure the safety of life and property through emergencies. Meaning, if you're dying, you just break your windshield. If you're drowning underwater and you're in the car, break your windshield, you get out. Now, I cannot show you that feature of breaking my windshields because then I have to pay for my windshields to be replaced, and we're not going to do that. So just kind of, I guess, take my word for it. So guys, with this product, you guys technically get 3 in 1. The first one, it's a sunshade that wraps snug against your dashboard on the windshield so no heat can get in. The second purpose, which I don't think it's meant to be used this way, but I can definitely see it being used this way, is a little heat shade umbrella. Like when you're walking out into a park, a theme park, wherever you're going on a little date, picnic, whatever it is, you can walk with this and block the sun from underneath you. I think it provides a lot of shade, reflecting all the sun's rays, diminishing any heat trying to get into your car to keep your car cool so you don't burn your bum when you're sitting on the seat. Now, it also comes with some reinforcement steel here, which actually holds the sun visor in place so it doesn't collapse. You don't come in where half of the visors fell down and then now heat's all up in your car. No, this is gonna hold very rigid and very strong. You know what, guys? Come to think of it, I think that we can actually use this umbrella for a third option. Now, I'm not 100% sure. I don't even know if this is what it's meant to do, but this is just my idea. If you're going out to a theme park on a hot day, maybe going out to a picnic, taking your little lady friend on a date, you can use this as a little shade umbrella. Now, it's gonna look really big and in the way, but it seems like it's gonna provide the ample amount of shade that's needed to keep you and your biddy cool.